China Dasan Road and Bridge Engineering Company Limited, a professional supplier for asphalt processing technology and equipment. The company has advanced technology and a complete set of equipment technology for production of modified, emulsified, and formed asphalt. For years, the company successfully developed integrated production equipment for modified, emulsified, formed asphalt with a completely independent intellectual property rights on the basis of market demand. The equipment mainly includes colloid mill, mixing tank, soap liquid tank, emulsified asphalt tank, reaction tank, base asphalt tank, and asphalt heat exchanger. Modified asphalt production process. The device uses heat exchanger to increase asphalt temperature, adjusts hot-medium flow by collecting heat exchanger outlet asphalt temperature in real time, and makes asphalt to keep within production process temperature range. Asphalt will be conveyed into the mixing tank after passing flow meter and a spiral flow type solid liquid mixer. SPS modifying agent will be conveyed into the mixing tank after passing spiral flow type solid liquid mixer. Asphalt inside the solid liquid mixer will turn into tantiform so as to improve coating effect of SPS. Blender of the mixing tank will further even disperse and mix the asphalt and SPS. Control system automatically adjusts and guarantees the real-time ratio of asphalt and SPS. Production pump will convey the medium inside the mixing tank to the colloid mill, where colloid mill will cut the modifying agent into fine particles so as to accelerate the dispersion and dissolution of a modifying agent in the asphalt, as well as improve production efficiency and product quality of the modified asphalt. Stator and rotator intermeshed structure with a helical tooth plus straight tooth will be adopted for DS CM colloid mill. Rockwell hardness HRC of a stator and rotator made of high-strength alloy steel greater or equals to 45, with excellent wear and corrosion resistance. Gap between stator and rotator is stepless adjustable between 0.2 to 2 mm. Emulsified asphalt production process. Production of emulsified asphalt is divided into two processes, namely simulated production and actual production. When simulated production meets production conditions, change the mode to a production mode. Pre-prepared soap liquid will be pumped into the colloid mill via the flow meter. Control system collects liquid soap flow in real time, makes PID adjustment on asphalt flow, and ensures real-time mixing ratio during production process. Hot asphalt and liquid soap enter colloid mill, and form emulsified asphalt and mechanic cutting and dispersing function of colloid mill. Emulsified asphalt property can reach content of SPS, SPR greater or equal to 6%. Solid content of emulsified modified asphalt greater or equals to 75%. Particles diameter less or equals to 5 micrometer greater or equals to 95%. Emulsified SPS modified asphalt will be stored after cooling via heat exchanger when storage conditions are met. Welded plate-type exchanger can rapidly cool the emulsified asphalt to the appropriate temperature. At the same time, water after heat exchanging can be directly used for preparation of soap liquid, realizing efficient utilization of energy. Formed asphalt production process. When water ratio for forming is set, water will enter into the foam generator under constant temperature, pressure, and at constant flow. PID will regulate the asphalt flow according to real-time water flow. The foam generator will evenly disperse water into the asphalt under constant pressure. When asphalt is conveyed to the mixing tank, pressure should be relieved at the outlet so as to form foamed asphalt. Combination of IPC software and a PLC will be adopted for the control system. The upper computer displays real-time on-site working conditions, including electric parameters of main motors under operation. Real-time data such as pressure, temperature, flow, and level, collected by various transducers as well as operation status of various execution units. PLC is responsible for production operation, communication with the upper computer, logical control and various safety and protection. On-site bus is responsible for real-time data transmission for monitoring and control. The company takes the leading in implementing SBS latex technology and room temperature maintenance construction technology in the industry, and makes research and development works of noise reduction, super thin layer sealing technology of modified asphalt emulsion. China Shandong Dashan Road and Bridge Engineering Company Limited, established in 1996, produces asphalt processing equipment and mixture equipment with a high performance cost ratio. It also provides production technology and material of various modified asphalts and emulsified asphalt products, which has advanced technology and construction capacity of highway new and maintenance construction, as well as owns specialized technical support and service. Shandong Dashan Road and Bridge Engineering Company Limited will build prosperity with you hand in hand, hand in hand, with you hand in hand.